Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, your source for creative living spaces and inspiring home designs from around the world. Today, we're taking you on a full tour of a charming tiny farmhouse-style shipping container home. A cozy Airbnb stay that beautifully blends rustic charm with modern container architecture. From reclaimed wood accents to clever space-saving design, this tiny home proves that style and comfort can absolutely thrive in a compact footprint. Join us as we explore every thoughtful detail, only here on Alvinsa Studio. Tiny homes with a twist. We started with a simple shipping container and created a beautiful farmhouse-themed tiny home. This unique space will surprise you from the moment you open the front door. We didn't spare any luxury, so be assured that you can relax after a long day of traveling or visiting our national parks. Bonus feature. Our tiny houses have a rooftop deck for amazing stargazing and beautiful sunsets on the cliffside. Cliffside is centrally located between Zion National Park and Bryce Canyon. Our unique location makes it easy to visit both parks without having to find lodging in two separate places. Cliffside is located on 5 acres of property with a massive pink and gray sandstone ledge as its backdrop. It looks amazing when the sun sets on it. We want our guests to have the best experience possible, so we situated the tiny homes on the back of the property to ensure privacy and seclusion. Cliffside property also touches Highway 89, so it's easy to access. Cliffside is the perfect place to stay while visiting southern Utah. Cliffside container tiny homes are loaded up with amenities. Here are a few: Wi-Fi, queen memory foam bed, smart TV, heater, air conditioner, privacy blinds, toilet, shower, 2 sinks, microwave, mini fridge, hot plate that works with pans provided, towels, Keurig coffee maker, shampoo, soap, USB outlets. Cliffside guests can enjoy their own private tiny home and drive right up and park right next to it. Guests can enjoy our common area near the old barn. The common area has a fire pit where you can enjoy a soothing fire after the sun goes down and roast a s'more if you want. Not pet-friendly. Do not smoke. They have 4 more container houses and 3 cabins on the property. If you want to come as a group, you can rent all or multiple units. If you don't find the dates you want on this tiny house, please check out other tiny houses or cabins for those dates. Tiny home comes with tiny water heater. Hot water usually lasts about 8 mins, then takes an hour to refill.